So, everybody, after the dudes from Best Buy, 2 of them, big guys, couldn't get the fridge out and couldn't get this one in, I called my good old pal over here, Jason, and let me tell you, he got that thing out. It took a little bit, but he got it. And we got this other one going in right now, y'all. So, he's got it going on there. He put my front doors back on it. We had to take them off to move it. And I'll show you when he's done getting it in. But I won't have to go outside to get ice in the middle of the night no more. Yeah, I know that's right. So, if any of y'all are local here on the East Coast of North Carolina and need a good fix-it man, reasonable, he's the man for the job. He works really reasonable, better than what most would do around here, and he does a good job. So if anybody needs any help out there, down around Myrtle Beach or from Whiteville all the way down to the beach, probably even would go to Lumberton. So if anybody needs any help out there, give him a holler, and I'll let you know when this thing's in. All right, y'all. So here's the refrigerator in place of the other one. And see, we didn't even tear nothing up. That was a professional job, y'all.